The inauguration of iconic exhibition Photos of Interest, organized by the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage Intach Meghalaya chapter to celebrate Meghalaya's 50th year of statehood, had taken place on the 5th of May 2022 at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD had graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included Director Tourism Department, Government of Meghalaya Cyril V. Dingdo, Convener of Intach Meghalaya Chapter Madeline Waitham, Coordinator Intach Garo Hills Dr. Ramona SANGMA, Shillong's oldest photographer and proprietor of Karu's Photographers Ahmed Hussain, Member of Intach Meghalaya Rafal Wajri, invitees besides others. Khasi and Garo song performances were also part of the inaugural event. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD appreciated the efforts of Intach Meghalaya and especially that of Ahmed Hussain, who were able to archive the photographs for public display. SANGMA was also of the opinion that such exhibitions would allow youngsters and future generations to access knowledge about other aspects of Meghalaya's culture, music and sports besides its heritage.
Strongly that everything that is connected with the state and as much as possible in the last 50 years, the defining moments, it is important that people, the citizens of the state, especially the younger generation, most of whom do not know about a lot of this history, they need to get connected to it. And that is the reason why in this entire 50th year of the statehood, a number of different programs are being organized to remind ourselves about the different phases that we went to get our state, and also more importantly, the events that have shaped the state of Meghalaya to bring it to where we are today. And I must thank the entire team and especially Mr. Hussain, whose contribution we can all see in the exhibition that is there today. As was mentioned, the photographs are, these moments that you capture, and it is such a, I should say, a lot of people think it's very simple, but it's not that simple. I'm not a photographer myself, but whenever I tried my hand at it, it's not come out too well. And I realize that the kind of the moment, you need to capture the right moment at the right time. You need to, as a photographer, need to know which that moment is. Somehow there's a sixth sense in you to know that this is the moment to capture. Aspects of details. A lot of times people don't realize, you just think that there's a phone and you just click like that. But there are a lot of details that you need to capture on a camera. And today, nowadays, with so much of technology available in camera, the kind of adjustments you need to make, so you need to exactly know what kind of focus to have. It's very complicated, So I tried my hand at it and I just gave up. I came back to the iPhone.